everyone, welcome to another episode. Today's episode we have a sequin gown from Club L. This is our client's first fitting. It needed to be taken in and shortening of the hem. After remarking the sides, you're gonna see our seamstress measuring out how much she needs to take it in and then moving on to opening the lining and then the side seams. From there on, she's re-measuring and re-cutting the sides. She will leave herself about 2 inches in seam. We're starting to sew the sides here.
If you were anybody else, I would have held you while you cried. Told you that you're justified. You've been fighting for your life inside, and you know you can't deny. Don't you even try to lie. You work so.
After taking in of the sides, we're moving on to recutting the hem. The client had piping finish on the bottom of the hem, which you see our seamstress sewing original. Here's the gown after all of the alterations. How do you think we did?